What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I want to come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Yo, shout out to everybody who been pre-ordering the Up Next satin line beanie. Shout out to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? The third drop will be sold out during the pre-order. That's crazy. That's crazy to me. Y'all know, if y'all been looking at me on YouTube for a minute, y'all know we came a long way with the Up Next satin line beanies. Alright, so shout out to y'all. Shout out to all my supporters on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok, especially TikTok. Alright, so all that will be up here, over there somewhere, but it will be in the links will be in the description to all my social medias. So make sure y'all go follow me on all my social medias, right? So look, today I got a very special video for y'all today. Starter lock tips. You know what I'm saying? How to make your locks, how to make your dreadlocks, whatever you want to call them, lock faster. Okay, so obviously if you're watching this video right now, you're very impatient. Okay, like I mean, but that's the type of world we grew up in. We grew up during social media. We grew up during Instagram, where you get everything instantly, and everybody want instant locks, and everybody want weave. I don't know what they call them. Y'all know them locks, lock extensions. Yeah, that's what they call them. Shit, they might as well be called weave. You dig what I'm talking about? So look, everybody want those. You know what I'm saying? But if you growing them, you know what I'm saying, which I suggest y'all to do, I definitely suggest y'all to go through the journey, man. Go through that lock journey, man. Go through the dread journey. Go through the dreadlock journey. Whatever y'all want to call them, right? Go through that journey, bro, because like during that journey, you're going to find yourself. You're going to find everything that you need, all right? You're going to find, yo, I need an Up Next satin line beanie. All I got to do is click the first link in the description. I'm telling y'all, not just because it's my product, because I came out with this product for you guys to use during the lock journey, during the dreadlock journey, whatever you want to call it. Alright, but so y'all know I used to give y'all tips on like, yo, like make sure you wear your do-rag. Then I came back a year later and was like, yo, make sure you wear your Up Next satin line beanie. That's because I really don't, I never did like wearing do-rags. And like I told y'all, when I told y'all to wear the do-rag, I was like, yo, I only wear the do-rag for 1 week. Like when I sleep, I only wear the do-rag for 1 week because it squeezes my head so tight. You know what I'm saying? It squeezes my head so tight that y'all know it be putting that do-rag. Y'all know y'all be seeing them wavers with the do-rag band right there on their forehead. Yeah, they be thinking, yo, I just wear my do-rag a lot. That. Yeah, it seemed good, you feel me? But it don't feel good. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I wear my do-rag a lot. Man, look, man. It seemed good, but it don't feel good. You dig what I'm talking about? This Up Next satin line beanie, it feel good. You know what I'm talking about? That's why I'm always wearing it. Each and every video, I'm always rocking it. It feels good. Okay, so look, and I'm just trying to put y'all on game. All right, so don't shoot the messenger. All right, so look though, real talk. I appreciate y'all for all the support. I appreciate y'all for just going crazy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all been asking for these lock tutorials, these locks tips, whatever. I'm bringing them back. All right, I'm bringing them back. So that's my first lock tip, man. Make sure you go copy your Up Next satin line beanie because I did this for y'all. My second lock tip is y'all don't have to get a retwist every week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every month, every 2 months. Look. Oh fuck. Yeah, man, I ain't had no retwist in about 2 months. You feel me? And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling wonderful. You know what I'm saying? My pocket's feeling wonderful too. Because if you know anything, if you live in the A, if you live anywhere, the retwist gonna run you upwards $100, upwards $80. You know what I'm saying? And I know if you're a female, you probably used to spending money like that on your hair. But us guys, we not really used to spending money like that each and every week, each and every 2 weeks, each and every 3 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever. We not used to that. Alright? We not used to that. So it ain't no getting used to. Alright? So yeah, man, that's what I got going for y'all, man. Don't be getting your hair retwisted every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every month, every 2 months. If you want to, wait 3 or 4 months. if you want to. Now, me personally, when it started getting around that 5-month range, it be looking rough. Alright, it be looking rough. And especially if you got starter locks, right? So if you got starter locks, man, make sure you stay in the fight. Make sure you stay in the fight, real talk. Because I know y'all be struggling. You dig what I'm talking about? Y'all be struggling with them worms, you know? So make sure you stay in the fight. So if you got starter locks, I would advise you to get a retwist every 2 months, every 3 months, all right? So you can just let your locks grow. That, mind you, I said 2 to 3, all right? Cause you don't need it. Look, what's gonna happen is your locks gonna start thinning out. Your locks gonna start damn near falling off. You dig what I'm talking about? Have you ever seen somebody locks barely hanging on? Yeah, that was me at one point. You feel me? So everything that I'm telling y'all, I really went through. I really been through it. Y'all can go check the stats. Y'all can go check the leaderboards. You dig what I'm talking about? Y'all can go check my past videos. You know, y'all can go check them. All right, I'm telling y'all that damn near the same thing I was telling y'all a year or two ago. Just something tweaked, just something enhanced because of the journey, because of what I learned, because of everything like that. Same thing with this Up Next satin line beanie. I'm presenting these things to y'all. I'm presenting products to y'all to assist you guys on the journey. All right. So yeah, man, that's why y'all probably see me going crazy on TikTok. A lot of y'all be getting haircuts, you know what I'm saying? Getting haircuts every week, every 2 weeks. Honest to God, I'm really about to start cutting my own hair so I can cut my own hair every week, every 2 weeks, whatever. But me personally, I throw on the beanie, I throw on the Up Next satin line beanie. I go for about 2 months. I ain't gonna cap with y'all. I go for about 2 months. Now what I do is I got clippers, right? Stop being childish, man. Stop being childish, okay? Stop. I got clippers, so I just cut my sides, you feel me? I cut my sides, so I be looking fresh on the side from the, you know what I'm talking about, from the side right here, I be looking fresh. I line up my mustache, I line up my little chin hair, you feel me? And I look fresh that way, you feel me? But other than that, I don't be spending $100 every 2 weeks on a haircut, because to me, it's just not worth it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, they want to look good for other people, but the other people don't even like them. So why are you looking good for people that don't even like you? Why are you spending money for people that don't even spend money on you or like you? It never registered in my head. So I'm not gonna look a certain type of way for another person. I'm gonna look a certain type of way for me, and cause I like the look. You dig what I'm talking about? That's just my whole theory behind all this stuff. I ain't touch on some more things, man. Just comment down below what type of questions y'all want, man. I'll definitely do another video for y'all. Alright, so y'all can so I can answer all y'all questions. Okay? I'm gonna catch y'all for us later, bro. Peace.